Well, my 360 has quit reading cd-rom discs, so I'm going to take it apart and do a drive repair on it. I got the faceplate popped off, got these side plates pulled off as well on each side. That's so I can separate the two case halves. Okay, I got the case halves off. Now you need to take off these screws here, there, 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 and there. Take off this back plate. Oh, got the case all opened up now. It's my drive. This has a BenQ or a light-on drive in it. There's like 2 or 3 different drives that are used in the 360s. You got to know what drive you have so you can order the right board. Well, get the right drive to replace it with, so you can transfer the circuit board out of this one into the new drive, so it'll work with your 360. Now we'll disconnect these 2 cables here from the back of the drive, and then the drive will just lift right out of the case. Okay, I got the drive out of the Xbox now. Now I need to take out these 4 screws over here so I can separate the case halves and get into the drive and the circuit board itself. Okay, I got the drive opened up. This is the circuit board I'm going to take out right here. I first have to disconnect these ribbon cables from the board. Then I'm going to unsolder all these connections right here. Make sure you put these back on the board exactly how they come off. And I'm going to take this board out of this old defunct drive and transfer it over to my new drive. Well, I took out the circuit board from my existing Xbox 360 drive, and I've transferred it over to the new drive. So here's the old board from my original drive into a new cd-rom drive for the Xbox 360. I've reconnected the 3 ribbon cables here and here. The reason why I put this board into a new drive is the Xbox 360 looks at a number that's on this board in order to work with the console it's in. So you just can't swap a drive. You got to actually transfer the board from the old drive into a new drive. And I've got the drive reassembled, ready to be mounted back into the Xbox to be tested. Hooked up the 2 connectors to the back. Get ready to mount the drive back into the case. Alright, let's insert a game. Looks like it's reading it. Awesome. Come on. Yep, it's working. Not bad for a $20 repair. Got my 360 working again.